Hello everybody! Today I'm going to make another tutorial on what to do with connectors like these with memory wires. These have 4 holes in it, so we're going to use 2 rows of memory wire. First you need wire. You're going to cut 2 rows of it. One, and 2. I'm going to make a loop like this. You've seen me do this before in another video. Bend it backwards over the wire, and then you close this very hard like this. See, sometimes I take a flat nose plier and I close it even more like that. You see, it's completely closed. Six beads now. One, two, three, and 4. Now I'm going to put 6 beads on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is much better, but I still have to cut a little piece off. Something like that, I guess. Now I have to bend it, and I'm doing it the wrong way. You have to be strong when you do this. And I also like to bend it a bit backwards, because then it's easier to close, to get a nice angle. There you go. Take this flat nose plier and try to close it even better. A little bit more. There you go. So now you have to do the other side. So you start as you did the first one. You make a loop. There, I use the other one to close. Loop. There you go. And then you just start to string. And now we have 6 beads in the beginning. and 6. So now you have to put the connector on. There you go. You see? And you have to put another 4 on because it's 4 in between. Now comes the tricky part to get it into the connector. You push from the other side so that you get the end of it. There you go. Now you have to string another 4. 2, 3, and 4. Now you have to get into the last connector. And this is not easy, my friends. That's why I tried at first and do them both at the same time. And it probably would have worked if I used a clip like I said I should. Oh, there it is. You have to push it through. There you go. Now we're going to string another 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go. On this side, I don't know if you have to cut it. Maybe a tiny bit. And definitely not too much. Oh, that ended up in my kitchen window somewhere. And now we're gonna do the loop. So take our flat nose plier, try to close it a bit better. There we go. And there it is. This is what it looks like all. Now I'm going to put a clasp on. There you go. No. There you go. And clasp. Make sure you close it pretty well. There you go. We're finished. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.